In this video, I want to show you how you can easily get the Cipher code to claim this 1 million coin. So if you have been mining Hamster Kombat, so make sure you watch this video to the end, because before the end of this video I'm going to review a very simple secret of how you can get the daily code, and which is how you can crack the code to get this 1 million coin. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So in this video, before we continue, we actually need two things. The first thing we need is a floating node app, which I'm going to show you the one you need to download. And the second thing we need is these symbols here that represent all the letters. You can see this here, you can see this here. So I'm also going to leave a link in the description of this video where you can get this and also download it into your phone. So the second thing we need here is a floating node. Yes, so you can actually get that in Play Store. So the use of this app will be this: will be used to perform this. So let me show you the one you need to download, which is very easy to use. So in this video, go to your Play Store, the floating node, right? So we type in floating nodes. Alright, so then let me show you the one you need to download. So this is the one I recommend you download, because this is the one I actually use and it's very easy to use. So let me click on it for you to see. So let me drop this down. Okay, this I already have it on my phone, so I don't need to download it again. So when you download it, then you can open it, then you set it up like this. So the first thing what you need to do here is for you to go to the app. Then let me open the app so you can see this. So so I'm going to open it, so you can see it from this app that I set this up. So what I did here, you can see what I did in this place. So what I did here, so what you need to also do here is that you get the word for the day, which is today's word is wallet. So after I get this wallet, then I come over to here. So I come over to here. Then when I get the words for the day, so I come over to this place, then I check all the words here. Then I head over to my floating node, which is this one. You can see this one. You can see this was how I edit this. Then I place them here. So after I've placed it here, you can see this place now. You can see here now these things that I'm rotating here. So after I've put all the words here like this that you are seeing here, all I need to do from this now, I can edit this. Alright, so I can edit and put whatever I want to put. Then I put it this way using this. You can see all them here using the dots here and the dash. So after I've done this now, this is what I did. Then I click on this one now. So after I've done this now, then I will head over to my Telegram. Then I open the port to perform this. So now if you don't know how to get the Cipher code on Hamster Kombat to get the 1 million coin, so I will advise you watch this video to the end. So and also like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I drop more content like this every day. Make sure you share this video to other people to also benefit. So first thing here, I'm going to when you open your Telegram, when you open your mining app, so you come over to here, you come over to this part. So I think you come over to here. So all you need to do now is for you to come over end per tap, then you tap on this place 3 times, then you tap on here. When you tap on this 3 times, this part is going to turn to like this. You see the way mine is looking here, you see the way mine is looking. So it's going to turn to this color, which is the yellow here. So all we have to do, you have to use our floating node and what you have jotted down already to get the code, and which is going to be very easy. So guys, so this is what is going to happen. We are going to use what we jot down here with the floating app to get the code. So the first letter we are looking for is for letter W. So we going to do that, then we tap on it, we hold. Now we get the first letter. Now we go for the second letter, which is A. We tap and we hold it, so we get the second letter. Then we go again, we tap, we hold it, we tap, so we get the W. Now we tap on it, we hold it, we tap, we get the second letter. Now for the letter T, we tap, so we get the letter T. Now we hold it, we get the first letter. So we have been able to crack the code for today. So all we have to do here is for we to take the price. All right, we take the price for today. Okay, so that with the help of this, right, so we have been able to crack the code for today. You can see this. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you share this video to people you know that they are also mining Hamster Kombat. So if you don't understand, yeah, make sure you watch this video again and again. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.